Want luxury press-ons that look like this for under $10? Then let's get into this press-on nail tutorial. What is up, guys? Welcome to today's press on nail tutorial. We will be doing our nails. I have these amazing nails that I got from Shein, and I'm excited to share them with you guys. These nails were under $10. I will have my code up on the screen so that you can get a discount when you order these, but they are so cute. I will have these nails as well as anything you see in today's tutorial linked in my Amazon storefront, and these nails are linked in my description. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need is your supplies. You do not need a lot for press-ons, and that's why I love them. All you need is your glue, your alcohol wipe, and your nail filer. So first, we're just going to jump into our nail prep. So let's get into it, guys. Step one in any press-on nail tutorial is making sure you guys are starting with clean hands. Please make sure you wash and dry your hands thoroughly. The first thing we're going to do is take that filer and go and file our real nail. This helps get any old glue or anything off of your nail. It also helps just give you a good base for your glue. For some reason, when I file my real nail and then I add the glue, it helps your nails just stay a little bit longer. This nail filer I got from Amazon. It will be linked on my Amazon storefront. And all I'm about to do, guys, is go through each nail and just file the top. Okay, guys, in this next step, we will be pushing our cuticles back. This step is super important for a clean, natural look with your press-ons. It's also very healthy for your nails and make sure that your nails grow up underneath your press-ons. Usually I use a cuticle stick to do this, and that sometimes comes in your nail pack, but today I'm just going to use my fingers. I think it's a lot safer, and I don't like using that stick over and over. So you can do this right with your own hand. Just take your fingers and just push your cuticles back a little bit. So all I'm doing right now is just going back in with my filer. A lot of times when I push my cuticles back, there's a little bit of dead skin there or leftover glue because I'm usually doing my press-ons back to back. So I like to go in after I push my cuticles back and just get all that extra stuff off of my nail. So this is just the extra step, but it really does help for a good foundation when it comes to applying your nails. So next, guys, we're going to get our alcohol wipe, and we're just going to go through and wipe off our nail beds. A lot of times after filing, there's a lot of dust and leftover gook on your nails that you don't even see. So this just helps give it a nice solid surface for you to be able to apply your nails, because in the next step, we will be actually gluing our nails on. Now, typically I use Kiss glue. This is the first time I've used this glue, and I got this right at my local beauty supply. I will have my typical glues that I use in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description, and we're just going to get into it and apply our nails. A lot of the times I like to just go ahead and take a couple of nails off, but the key to a good foundation of applying your nails is making sure you're applying the right amount of glue and you're putting it all over the nail. Make sure you're applying your glue to the sides and the back of the nail as well. Don't just try to put a little dab right there in the middle. No, make sure you're carrying that glue around the sides of the nail and the middle. A lot of the times when your press-ons pop off, they pop off from the sides. Water gets underneath or something happens from the side. So make sure you're applying extra glue in those areas, and make sure you're taking your time with holding your nail down. A lot of the times your nail doesn't last because you're not pressing it down long enough. So as you can see there, they look so good, and we're going to go through and just do our nails, guys. Another key I will say is when you're applying your nails, please make sure that you're pushing the nail under your cuticle. Remember in step 2, we went through and pushed our cuticles back. Well, this is why, because when we apply our nails, we want to make sure we are pushing it under the cuticle bed a little bit, just so it's a nice and seamless look. I really love Temu handmade press-on nails. Like, they have been top tier for me personally. I think I love that they come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. I typically get the size extra small because my fingers are so little, but they go all the way up to an extra large. I love that you get a bang for your buck. Like, look at these nails. You would not know that I literally paid like $5-6 for these nails. So make sure you guys go use that code that's on the screen to shop these press-ons. And I have a lot of press-ons that are available in my little storefront on there. So make sure you guys look through, check them out, and check out some of my previous press-on nail tutorials. I have all the nail links for those nails linked there as well. Also, you guys, if you do not follow me on Instagram, I'm going to pop it up on the screen as well as have it on my description. Make sure you guys go follow me on IG. Okay guys, right here I'm just going onto the sides of the nail and adding a little extra glue. My nails are sticking out a little bit from under the nail, so I like to make sure I add a little glue there and push my real nail against the press on. That way no water gets underneath and the nail just lasts longer. Okay guys, as you can see, these nails are amazing. They look so good. So now we're going to go through and just clean them up. So I just take my alcohol wipe and I go and just wipe the nail off. I like to go get any additional glue that might have got stuck on the nail or on my hand off. So that's all we're doing right here. This is just a simple cleanup. Okay guys, for the final part of this press on nail tutorial, we are just going to be applying some cuticle oil. I use regular coconut oil. I got this from a local beauty supply. I put this on my hair, my skin, everything. But after I do my nails, I do like going through and just rubbing it on my skin as well as applying it to my cuticles. It helps just keep your cuticles healthy. I think it also just makes your nails look better. Who wants beautiful nails with some dry hands? So it definitely helps just make the nails look better also while taking care of your skin. So this is the final product, guys. Like, these nails are so gorgeous. I absolutely love them. Make sure you guys use that code that's up on the screen to shop these on Shein. I will also have them linked, and all the material you saw used in today's tutorial will be also linked in my Amazon storefront, which will also be in my description. So I'll see you guys in the next one.